Welcome to IMA. Are you facing barriers with learning materials that are mostly audio-based? Facing lack of sign language support? Worrying about your academic performance? Struggling to understand areas for improvement? Struggling to stay engaged, missing important lessons or content? Do you all have these problems? Here we are with the solution for all the above struggles. Introducing our Inclusive Mentoring Academy, IMA, app with following features. Chat support. Accessible courses in sign language. Advanced app security. Come, let's see how to download and use the IMA app. First, download the app in the Google Play Store or through the link. Now, this page will appear. You can click on Login with WhatsApp and login or use another method. Login with your mobile number and OTP. Type your name and email ID. You are now successfully logged in. This is the home page of the app with the course details. Now, please select the course which you want to purchase and click on Buy Now option. You will get a message in WhatsApp with the link. Please click on Buy Now option. Now, the payment page will open. You can pay through UPI ID, debit or credit card and also net banking. Select your option and click Continue. You have successfully purchased the course. You will also receive the payment receipt. Now, the course you purchased will appear on the top. Please click Start Learning option and access the videos with the chapter-wise study materials. We also provide free study materials. To check the free materials, click on the 3 lines on the left top. Do you want to access free materials? Now, click on 3 lines on the top, Free Material option. Start learning through the videos. No need to travel far, no need to stay for months in far-off places. You can access all the courses from home through our app. After your work, or college or school hours, you can sit comfortably and learn these content. Hope you all understood clearly. Watch out for more updates. Thank you.